This unit has been updated with new floors, quartz counters, newer kitchen appliances, and more. HOA covers heat, water, and basic cable. This location is amazing, just steps from Lake Geneva and downtown. Everything that Lake Geneva has to offer is at your fingertips. If you have any questions about this unit, please give us a call. We're happy to help any way that we can. If you'd like more information about our market here in Southeast Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood highlights, and everything you need to know to lead your best lake life. Cheers!